Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make passion fruit lassi. We all enjoy lassi in summer, isn't it? The salted lassi or the lassi with various addition of various fruit pulps. Today I'm going to make with passion fruit pulp. Since I had some passion fruit now, I thought let's give it a try. The passion fruit has got very good flavors, sweet, tangy, and blended with yogurt. The lassi is really amazing. So let's go and try out the lassi. We'll require passion fruit juice. You can get this by mashing the pulp and straining it. And yogurt, 1 small cup. And 1 passion fruit. Honey as needed. We'll be using it around 1 tablespoon. Chilled water. In a jar, pour the passion fruit juice. Add the yogurt. Lassi is something we would like to drink all the time in summer. You can make it with different flavors and enjoy it. Half of the seeds and pulp I am adding to the lassi. The remaining will be used for garnishing. Add about 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey will give the nice sweet and sour taste to the lassi because sometimes the passion fruit is a little bit sour. So this will balance the taste. Add chilled water as required. This portion is sufficient for 1 glass of lassi actually, because the yogurt cup was quite small. Blend everything together. And the lassi is ready. Stir it and you can taste for the sweetness. You can add anything more if you like, little honey or sugar if you want. Take a serving glass, pour the lassi into it. Add the remaining pulp and seeds to it. Passion fruit lassi is ready. Serve it chilled. Enjoy your passion fruit lassi. Friends, hope you are enjoying my videos. Do share them with your friends.